Now we are going to learn that sukoon. See, I told you that sound of that sukoon is sound, but when we are putting that sukoon for one letter, we cannot read alone. So that's why I wrote two letters together. For example, ba sukoon we will not read. We cannot read b. Instead of that, alif hamza kisra e, ba sukoon ib, not ib, ib. Noon fatha na, noon fatha na, ba sukoon nab, not nab. So that's why I wrote together. But instead of that, when we are putting that ba and sukoon only, we will read b. We should not read like that. That is wrong. We have to read nab. Ta fatha ta, ba sukoon tab, tab. Ta fatha ta, ba sukoon tab, tab. Jim fatha ja, jim fatha ja, ba sukoon jab, jab. Ha fatha ha, ba sukoon hab, hab. Kho fatha kho, ba sukoon khob, khob. Dal fatha da, ba sukoon dab, dab, dab. Zal fatha za, ba sukoon zab, zab. Ra fatha ra, ba sukoon rob, not rob, rob. Zal fatha za, ba sukoon zab, zab. Sin fatha sa, ba sukoon sab, sab, sab. Shin fatha sha, ba sukoon shab, shab. Swad fatha sa, ba sukoon swab, 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 not swab, swab. Dod fatha la, ba sukoon lob, lob. To fatha to, ba sukoon dob, dob. La fatha la, ba sukoon lab, lab. Ain fatha a, ba sukoon ab, ab. Ghain fatha gha, ba sukoon ghab, ghab. Fa fatha fa, ba sukoon fab, fab. Next qaf, qaf fatha qa, ba sukoon qab, qab. Kaf fatha ka, ba sukoon kib, kib. Lam fatha la, ba sukoon lab, lab. Mim fatha ma, ba sukoon mab, mab. Noon fatha na, ba sukoon nab, nab. Ha fatha ha, ba sukoon hab, hab. Waw fatha wa, ba sukoon wab, wab. Ya fatha ya, ba sukoon yab. So you all have to read together one time. Alif hamza kisra e, ba sukoon ib. Noon fatha na, ba sukoon nab. Ta fatha ta, ba sukoon tab. Sa fatha ta, ba sukoon tab. Jim fatha ja, ba sukoon jab. Ha fatha ha, ba sukoon hab. Kho fatha kho, ba sukoon khob. Dal fatha da, ba sukoon dab. Zal fatha za, ba sukoon zab. Ra fatha ra, ba sukoon rob. Zai fatha za, ba sukoon zab. Sin fatha sa, ba sukoon sab. Shin fatha sha, ba sukoon shab. Swad fatha sa, ba sukoon swab. Lod fatha lo, ba sukoon lob. To fatha ta, ba sukoon tab. La fatha la, ba sukoon lab. Ain fatha a, ba sukoon ab, ab. Ghain fatha gha, ba sukoon ghab. Fa fatha fa, ba sukoon fab, fab. Qaf fatha qa, ba sukoon qab. Kaf fatha ka, ba sukoon kab. Lam fatha la, ba sukoon lab. Mim fatha ma, ba sukoon mab. Noon fatha na, ba sukoon nab. Ha fatha ha, ba sukoon hab. Waw fatha wa, ba sukoon wab. Ya fatha ya, ba sukoon yab. So we learn fatha, kisra, lamma, sukoon. See, once again I am repeating that this sukoon we will not read alone in singular letter. It should read with any other letter. For example, ba sukoon we should not read b. should be along with hamza or any other letter. Ib, not ib. Ib. So that is the important thing you have to notice that. So we learned the harakat, fatha, kisra, lamma and sukun. What is the sound of fatha? A sound, kisra, E sound and lamma, O sound. Told you, sukun, E sound. So next is tanween. You will learn that. Next we are learning tanween. What is tanween? For example, this is fatha, that is sound of a. Sound is a. So when it comes that one more, for example, ba fatha ba. So when we put that tanween together, ba. One more fatha I wrote there. So we should read ben. For example, see, this is fatha a sound. When it comes together, a, it will change into an, and e, when it comes to e, it will change into in. A, an, and e, in sound, then u, un sound. You got? See, fatha. What is the sound of fatha? A. So when it comes together, that is known as tanween. When it comes fatha 2 times, that is known as tanween fatha. When kisra comes 2 times, that is known as tanween kisra. And when lamma it comes 2 times, that is tanween lamma. So fatha and tanween fatha, kisra, tanween kisra, and lamma, tanween lamma. What is the sound of fatha? A. Tanween fatha n. Kisra e, then in, lamma u, un. So that is the sound. Let us check. I am going to write some words. For example, noon fatha na, ba sukun nab, ta tanween lamma tun, ta lamma tu, then ta tanween lamma tun. Noon fatha na, ba sukun nab, ta tanween lamma. This is when we are writing single, that is lam. When we are writing 2, that is tanween. So which one is 2 times tanween? So sorry, lam 2 times. So we should learn that tanween lamma. Nabtun. Alif, hamza, kisra, e, ba sukun, ib, lam lamma, lu, lam tanween lamma, lun, iblun. Fa fatha, fa, swad sukun, fas, lam lamma, lu, faslu. When I write tanween lamma, lun, faslun, nabtun, iblun, faslun. Noon fatha na, waw sukun nau, then mim lamma mu, tanween lamma mun, naumun. Noon fatha na, ba sukun nab, ta tanween lamma. What is tanween lamma? When it comes 2 times lamma, it comes 2 times tanween lamma. When fatha comes 2 times, tanween fatha. When kisra comes 2 times, that is known as tanween kisra. When lamma comes 2 times, that is known as tanween lamma. So nabtun, iblun, faslun, naumun. Next ha fatha ha, ba sukun hab, not hab. Lam lamma lu. One more tanween, that is known as one more lam, that is known as tanween. So tanween lam, lun, hablun. Noon fatha na, jim sukun naj, mim lamma mu, mim tanween lamma mun, najmun. Next ba fatha ba, ya sukun bay, ta tanween lamma tun, baytun. Alif, hamza fatha a, ba lamma bu, ba tanween lamma bun, abun. Mim fatha ma, dal sukun mad, ra fatha ra, sin fatha sa, ta tanween dhamma tun, madrasatun, madrasatun. So this is tanween, lam, tanween fatha. This is fatha and this one tanween fatha. Kasr, tanween kasr, lam, tanween lam. So this is about tanween lam. What is the sound of tanween lam? Un sound. Okay. So we will learn tanween fatha and tanween kasra.